All right, this is the Hooyman spade shovel. Really nice, well-balanced, multi-purpose garden shovel. Made a carbon steel head, and I think we got a carbon fiber handle on here. It weighs 4 pounds, 5 ounces. We have a 14-inch blade on here from end to end, and the blade size itself goes from about 6 inches right here down to about 4.5 inches. It's got some really nice oversized flanges on here, and even with the wrong shoes, it's easy for me to push this thing into the ground. D-handle, we have some non-slip handle grips on here, which are a really nice feature as far as I'm concerned. Gives you a nice feel if you want to, chop with it, or if you want to dig with it, however you want to use it. The way this blade tapers down, it's perfect for transplanting small to medium-sized plants in the garden, or trees, or bushes, whatever. And it feels really good, and it feels really well balanced. Also with this taper blade, it's great for me. I've got rocky soil here, and I've also got some clay in my area, and it cuts through there pretty good. I've got some rocky soil and the wrong shoes on right now, and stuff cuts through it pretty good. And something like this would be great for transplanting. It'd be easy for me to go around this plant right here and transplant it, easy enough. Another thing too, it'd be great for trenching stuff in, like that pipe back there, for instance, that PVC, or if you had a flex pipe you were putting in the ground, perfect for that. Just a good all-around, all-purpose garden shovel, house shovel, yard work shovel, all kinds of stuff.